On this special day I send you a big hug. It is a great satisfaction to greet you and discuss an important topic that is the following. When can a cat be castrated? Female and male. Neutering a cat is an important part of cat health care. While we may think that the surgery is invasive, it is a simple procedure for both male and female cats. The complications are minimal and the benefits far outweigh the benefits. The scientific consensus strongly agrees that neutering domestic cats is beneficial to both the individual cat population and the general cat population. I also particularly recommend spaying and neutering male and female cats for the following reasons. 1. Benefits of sterilizing kittens. The heat period, also known as the heat cycle, is the time when the cat is most fertile. This can be very uncomfortable for the cat, as it will scream in frustration at night. This will happen until the hot period is over. Sterilizing her will stop this frustration and physical discomfort for the rest of her life. The domestication of cats has meant that there are many more cats. This overcrowding means that there are too many to be adequately cared for and many end up on the streets, in shelters or dead. Sterilization helps to control the population and to properly care for the cats that we have. Spaying a cat reduces the risk of breast cancer in females by approximately 85 to 95%. The kitten will no longer be at risk of uterine cancer, some hormonal problems and other diseases that can affect her life. In the same way, by reducing the possibility of certain diseases, sterilization improves your average life. 2. Benefits of sterilizing male cats. If an unnettered male cat detects a female in heat, he will want to search for her to mate. If the cat is indoors, this means that he will be as frustrated as the female. Even more so, they can become angry and competitive. They can become aggressive and cause pain to other animals or humans in the home. Not to mention the frustration they suffer. Cats in the wild will scent when a female is near them in order to attract them for mating. When male cats are not neutered, they tend to mark anywhere and everywhere, making it difficult for them to live in the home hygienically. When a male cat's testicles are removed during neutering, this also helps prevent certain diseases. These include the possible development of prostate and testicular cancers. Like female cats, neutering improves the life expectancy of a male cat. 3. When can you sterilize a kitten? We must consider two main things when we ask ourselves when we can sterilize a kitten: your age. When a kitten reaches the age of 8 weeks, we should consider having a spay procedure. However, the vet may postpone a shorter period of time. Ideally, a kitten should be spayed before her first heat, as this helps reduce the chance of breast cancer by another 10%. His weight. Another important factor when spaying a cat is her weight. Generally, if you weigh less than 2 pounds, your vet will wait until you reach this threshold before performing surgery. The vet will not only perform the surgery, but will advise you when is the best time to do it. Beware, it is technically possible to sterilize a cat while she is in heat, but it is not recommended. This is because a cat in heat is already in a vulnerable position and her hormone levels are abnormal. Performing any surgery at this time should be reconsidered and should only be done if strictly necessary. 4. When can you neuter a male kitten? It is very similar to spaying a female in terms of when the procedure can be done. As with females, 8 weeks is the minimum time allowed. However, males will generally be left a little longer and neutering can be deferred until 5 months of age. A male cat can still be neutered after 5 months of age. This is the time when they will reach sexual maturity. For this reason, we must try to ensure that they are neutered before this happens. 5. What happens if you neuter an adult cat? Although it is best to neuter cats before they reach sexual maturity, that does not mean that they cannot be neutered as adults. In fact, it is still preferable to neuter older cats, regardless of whether they are male or female. For non-spayed adult female cats, spaying after reproductive age is also often recommended. This means that even older cats may need spaying, as this will help prevent health problems, especially those associated with the uterus. However, this will be determined on a case-by-case basis. Finally, a distinction is often made between cats housed and those in a shelter. Housed cats can wait a bit longer before being neutered, although still within the guidelines mentioned above. For shelter cats, kittens will generally be neutered as soon as possible. Not only does it stop behavioral problems and unwanted pregnancies within the shelter, but it also helps ensure they are neutered before being adopted. Develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behavior and create the obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Hit the instant access button below right now and start your journey to having an amazing, obedient, highly intelligent dog today. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.